Evangelist Ebuka Obi. From now till the end of the world, I support him. He's my choice. So what's your problem? What's your business with that? I support him because God has revealed him to me. That the young man is from God. The young man, the anointing he's using is from God. Stop fighting who you cannot fight. This is just the beginning of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You have not seen anything. Go into prayer. Let God reveal to you who Evangelist Ebuka Obi is. Many of you that are talking Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you don't even know who he is. Pray. Let God reveal him to you.
Ndi Igbo ekenekwa ụmụnụ zabekwana m kan si abịa. Biko ama m nunu yechete this Reverend Father no. Ama m nunu yechete very well maka na ọ bụrụ onye na mara ya. Unu kitemgbe who declare his open support, become the one of the first Reverend Father to ever open their doors, to ever open their heart to welcome Evangelist Ebuka Obi and openly declare his support for him. Kukwase na okukwana na azanya melegaba n'ihe ọ na-eme bụkwa na gịnị ezigbo ihe. Mana nwere ihe na-ewutezi m kịta. This Reverend Father kịta has faced so many challenges, including from his own inner cycle. Mana kịta ọ bịago na webebịa ka okwu ya openly na-ajụ ndị mmadụ, why would you want to recruit him ka ọ bịa hate onye ihe hitiri without finding a reason for hating that person? Because so many people no one inherited enemies. Inherited enemies whereby na onye mani hate you recruit ndị ọzọ ka ha hate ka onye maka na you just don't like that person. So Reverend Father Patagon asị ka okwu ya ka station categorically be you who, be you onye ama, be you onye na amara ama, ka onye ọbụla mee gịnị no na lane ya, that you cannot force him to like what you don't like, and you cannot force him to also hate what you hate. Everybody have their own side of a good coin, because na enemy of my enemy is my friend. Enemy of my enemy is my enemy. So depend the choice we got tank again. Imala nke kale gimma iyesu. So when I also want to also celebrate this Reverend Father Makantana, easy. So many people within their circle, they cannot be able to defend their own clergyman. But this Reverend Father has been there for Evangelist Ebuka Obi for a very long time. Because I'm going to name his own side of his own story. And then the video and I'm also.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How dare you think you can recruit me at my age, with the level of my education and exposure, at my age, in my capacity? How dare you think you can recruit me to hate those that hate you and those that you hate? Are you God? Thinking you can recruit me at my age. In fact, that's one of the worst mistakes you've made. You've made a very big mistake. Those of you that are calling me, why are you supporting Evangelist? Why won't I support Evangelist Ebuka Obi? That's my question to you now. What did Evangelist Ebuka Obi do to you? Did he take your wife? Did he take your daughter from you? Did he take your money? What did he take from you? Why are you push out an Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Evangelist Ebuka Obi? And why won't I support who I want to support? Did you buy me a phone? Do you buy me data? What's your business with who I support? Do I know who you support? And do I know who supports you? I support Evangelist Ebuka Obi. From now till the end of the world, I support him. He's my choice. So what's your problem? What's your business with that? I support him because God has revealed him to me. That the young man is from God. The young man, the anointing he's using is from God. Stop fighting who you cannot fight. This is just the beginning of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You have not seen anything. Go into prayer. Let God reveal to you who Evangelist Ebuka Obi is. Many of you that are talking Evangelist Ebuka Obi, you don't even know who he is. Pray. Let God reveal him to you. The devil cannot contend with the anointing. The devil cannot contend with the battle he's bringing to the kingdom of darkness. That's what is happening. That's why the devil is fighting him. Using every dick, Tom and Harry to fight him. And you want to recruit me. I made a video with my phone, with my money, with my data. And you are telling me to take it down. Take down the video. How dare you? In front of you, those that had the effrontery to write me, to send me messages, I'm very sorry. Anyway, you got it hot. Pray. Let God reveal to you who Evangelist Ebuka Obi is. I ask you a question again. What did he do to you? Most of you that hate him because someone recruited you to hate him. That's the truth. Check it. You don't even have any encounter with him. You don't know who the young man is. Many of you only saw him on Facebook, saw him on picture. You don't even know his address. You don't know where he is. And you are hating a man because somebody recruited you to hate the man. Shame unto you. Shame unto you. You cannot reason. You can't make use of your own brain. Propaganda everywhere. Propaganda. Listen to me. No title does not validate a man. No title validates a man. It is God that validates a man, not title. Put it in your head. And on the last day, title will not take you to heaven. All those that are fighting against him, why are you fighting against him? It's jealousy. It's envy. It's witchcraft. That's why you're fighting against him. You can't contend with the capacity that God has given to him. Ask God for yours, he will give you. Or you support him. You can never attract what you attack. Most of you that are attacking Evangelist Ebuka Obi want to be like him. And you cannot be like him because you are attacking him. That's the law of nature. You can never attract what you attack. You are attacking him and you are praying inside, God, make me great. You cannot be great. Appreciate God for what he has done in the life of a man, and God will do it in your own life. Using politics, talking nonsense. Trying to bring him. You can't pull a man down. A man that God has blessed and lifted, you cannot pull him down. And for you in Zion, you that is walking in Zion, that the devil want to use against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I am warning you. You will never succeed in that mission. You will never succeed in that mission. So reject the money that you will be paid by whosoever that want to pay you. I am seeing it, and the Lord is still showing it to me. That there are some people in Zion that the devil want to use against Evangelist. But let me tell you, you will never succeed in that mission. You will not eat the money. You will fail like Judas. You will die like Judas. Because Evangelist Ebuka Obi's mission is divinely mandated. His mission is of a divine mandate. What he's doing is totally and purely divine. God is with him. And no man can stop him. God bless you and good afternoon.
Mokwanum kisne ne se video ne like le hina ngwa biko kabaru share live video ai kabakwana aro na abu notification kiwe nkwa ike na enwete notification bo na post video fo ikabakwana aro ni share ki ni share kwa ka ndo ozo na afukwana the video nyekwala aka onu ozo ana afukwana ya nke kachasị mkpa wee bụrụ biko ki subscribe channel anyị na-ekenekwana unu for 11,000 subscribers unu nyela anyị n'ụbọchị nke tata na-asị na ya dịle Igbo niile ma ndị niile na-support, ndị niile na-share, ndị niile na-etikwa their comment anyị na-afụ anyị call unu anyị na-asị na Chukwu na ya na-akwụghachi unu ụgwọ gịnị mmaji pụlụ mmaji. So we were ohere a wee na-asịkwana biko kabakwana arụ ka na-etikwana comment gị na comment section anyị na-afụcha anyị na-agụ anyị na-reply kwana anyị na-asị na ka ọmalụ Igbo niile m biko ebe ọ bụ n'ịnọ kabakwana arụ kwụba aka gị ọtọ nke ịma mala gị nke onye na-amarụ amakwana ya mgbe na-asị biko udo ya adịla ndị chọrọ udo, ndị na-achọrọ udo bụ alụ ha ọsọ ka ọ dịnụ mgbe ọzọ ndị Igbo bye.